Hey everybody, I have an organizing hack. I found these coffee pot holders at Target for $5. $5. You got some bigger ones, depending on your space. You can find them everywhere. But this is like those Keurig coffee pot holders, and they have drawers that slides out. Divided. So I'm putting my washi tape in this. So I have my daughter's going by and picking me up 6 more because I figured out. Look at this. My alcohol markers by color, and wait for it, they're stackable. What? So what I do when I have things that are stackable so they're not sliding around when I get ready to pull on it is I take Velcro and I stick it on the bottom side of it, just small pieces, it doesn't take much, and then I can stick them together and put it in there. I hope this helps you guys. Bye everybody.